Welcome everyone to this new video, and today we will see that how we can turn off Google Auto Ads on any website. So the problem is when you turn off auto ads from this setting, it do not gets turned off. You can see I have turned off for my website, and here you can see that it's turned off because I have turned it off manually from the code itself. And you can see this was my manual ad placement, but now I have changed the code to the previous one. You can see this is what they say to add in your JavaScript, or basically the header tags. So I removed this to turn off auto ads, but now I have again added it. So let me refresh this page, and now you can see that I am getting auto ads here itself. Now when I go to some page, you will see some more ads. So here also you can see the auto ad. So everywhere now you can see is an auto ad, even though in the settings it's turned off. So how we can fix this? So sometimes the auto ads are like just take too much space, makes the experience very bad. So like in a page like this where I have fixed the height of the view to be 100 VH, I get an scroll bar. So pages like this get impacted due to auto ads. Also, if you have turned on vignette mode, so currently we are getting this anchor ads by auto ad, and vignette ads is turned off. But after some time you will see that we're also getting other type of ads as well, like from the top, or after changing or moving to a new page, a pop-up will appear. So to turn off this, turning off it from the setting won't help, because currently it's turned off, but again I am getting the ads. So sometimes the number of ads is too much. Here in the layout, or which is your root HTML code, you will see that you have added something like this, which has client and your publisher ID. What you need to do is just remove this line. So you will comment this line and just add this line. So this will stop here itself, and we just load the script. But if you add the client, you will get the ad auto loaded even if you have turned off the auto ads from the settings. And if you don't add this line, your manual ads will also go off. So if you have added manual ads, it won't get loaded. So you need to add this line, and then you can simply deploy it. So I will show you it by deploying. So it will take some time in deploying, so I will show you after it's deployed. Okay, so the deployment is done. Now let's test whether the auto ads have been turned off or not. So currently you can see that auto ad was getting displayed. Let me refresh the page and wait to see if it's get loaded or not. So the manual ad has been loaded, but the auto ad has not been loaded again. So let me refresh again. Let me open some other page to see it. And you can see that the auto ads is not getting loaded now. So all you need to do is just change the JavaScript and it will be good to go. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you, and see you next time.